Wi-Fi water sensor with alarm sound. Turn on Bluetooth. Click plus icon and choose Add device. Press and hold on the button for 5 seconds until the blue light flash. After app searched the device by Bluetooth, press Add. The sensor will be automatically connected to your Wi-Fi network. Choose device name to rename. Records can be viewed on the app. Adjustable alarm volume, mute low, medium, high. Alarm sound time can be adjusted 30 seconds to 180 seconds optional. When the sensor detects water, the app will push an alarm notification, and the sensor will make around 85 dB of sound.